Welcome to Papa Junk Shop. Now it's a rainy day. I was playing with my new overly complicated 12 volt system here and wanted to show you how I planned on using this thing. And this battery tender controller, which don't waste your money on one, this is what it does when there isn't much light out. Hopefully you can see. I don't have much room here to work, but you can see what it does. See if I can zoom in on this a little bit. Geez, learn how to run my camera, huh? You can see this is the voltage, this is the amperage, and it keeps like it's checking, or it can't maintain a current. And if you look over here on the system one, you can see when it does work, it's only making 0.6 amps. So what I had done is, just for the fun of it, that's why you see all these jumpers here. I'm going to turn this one off. There's the solar, and there's the power to this. So it's dead. And I've got one of these little $6 ones hooked up. You've seen them. Some of them are blue. You know, there's all kinds of them. This one is 12, 24 volt, automatic, 20 amp. And the battery connection is hooked up here to where the solar control out goes into these test points, because this is shut off. Now this one is going over here to this ammeter and into the system. And the solar input, I've got this one tied over to here, so that both panels are going into one connection. And then I've got these leads just plugged into here. Now this will turn the solar on for this controller. Now, as you can see, we've got solar. And let's see, this one is showing a steady 0.5 amps according to this. Doesn't do none of that switching up and down. I'll zoom in on the other meters. You can see they stay steady. Now I can, turn this one back on again. You can see what it does with both of them on. So with both of them running, we actually do get a little more. Let's see. Move over. Uh-oh, windmill's running. Let me turn the brake on the windmill. There. Okay, so we're getting 1.3 with the two of them on. Let me shut this one off. Can remove pull one lead out. You can see we have no solar now on this one. Okay, now it's staying steady now. Apparently it's gotten just a little brighter. Or let me turn the solar off, and I'll turn it back on and see how it acts. Okay, so it will stay on. So it looks like, if it's less than an amp, darn thing won't do anything except toggle back and forth. Well, if it's off half the time, what little bit you're getting, you'd be losing half of it. This seems kind of a poor way to design something. So I'm going to turn this back off, plug this back in. Yeah, it's not going to, there it goes, focusing. Okay, let's see. It says 0.9 amps. This one says 1.4, so I think I believe this one before I would this one. So, just a little quick video showing you, what I can do with this little system if I want to play around with stuff. So, just a quickie. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. See you next time. So when I watched my video to edit it, I thought, why the heck didn't I just compare each one separate? So I come back out and I've got first solar panel going up to the battery tender here, and I shut the input off from the second one that goes to the battery tender, and I've got it hooked in here. So now I've got this one on one panel and the other one on another, and let's see if I can get that so you can see it. So we're getting 0.2 amps, but I don't think that's very accurate, but it's steady. And as you can see, this one's doing its pulsing. This one stays steady. So, thought I'd throw that in there. So you can actually compare things with it. Another reason I wanted to make something you could easily access everything.